Good morning, everyone, from a very disheveled version of myself. Seriously, guys, I cannot even begin to tell you what I went through yesterday. It was the worst hangover of my entire life. I don't even know. It was Kate's birthday. So we were with her and a couple other friends, and I don't know how things escalated to the place that they did, but I just really don't have words or an understanding. I really thought that it was going to be a fairly chill night. I was wrong. Things got out of hand. I don't even know what happened.
So much pain.
Don't mind the monster noises in the background. So legit, yesterday I spent all day on the couch. I honestly could barely even look at a screen. And then around like, I don't know, 5 o'clock, I started to feel a little better. You know, started to feel, and I guess it's been a gradual return to life since then. But man, I still have a bit of a headache. When I move too quickly in any direction, my head is like, don't do that. It's been a tough weekend. Luckily for me, it was just my head though. Poor Connor had the head in the morning and the stomach at night. Not good. I'm getting too old for this, I think. This is my first, like, wow, am I getting too old to drink that way hangover that I've ever had. Oh no, there goes the weird noises. I'm thinking maybe a little face mask could be good for me today because I am so puffy. Very exciting day though. On Friday, it's Sunday. This is how like not okay I was. On Friday I went to Home Goods. I'll do a full haul for you guys a little later because I got some cute stuff. But I wasn't vlogging that day, I just didn't feel like it. Oh, Molly Cat is in a mood. You wanna play? Anyway, while I was there, I got new pillows because I needed some king size for a bed. And I haven't even gone to sleep with them yet, so now is the time. Oh yeah. Nice, big, fresh pillows. Oh my god, they're so comfortable. I'm so happy. Now, I'm thinking I'm gonna put a face mask on now, honestly. Why not? I should do a chemical peel too. I just like need and want to be better than I am right now. That's honestly how I feel. Dr. Dennis Gross chemical peel to the rescue. I have a feeling it's gonna bring me back to life. Actually, I'm very excited about it. While we let that sit for a sec, let's find the Britney doc, which is my activity for the morning. Right? Britney Spears documentary. Now, back to my face mask. I'm just gonna stick with Old Faithful, my fave cold pore plunge mask. And very exciting, I finally found the brush that I like to use to put it on when I was moving. I can't even remember where I found it now. Oh, it was like under my sink or something. Like, why did I put it there? Anyway, I just love that I don't have to get my hands messy. Always a priority for me. It just feels so much nicer going on when you can use a brush. Feels like luxurious. Amazing. Guys, please check out this bagel sandwich that just got here. I am going to lose my mind. It looks so good. I am so excited. Oh, I forgot I got a little bit of pasta salad. Oh, it's gonna be great. Okay, we are ready to dive in to the Britney doc. It is time. Wow, Britney doc, 10 out of 10 recommend. It was very interesting, and I get it. Like, I get the Free Britney movement. I got it before, but I just get it so much more now. It's really, really, really messed up, actually, what's happening to her. So wild, but highly recommend. Also, if you're confused and can't find it on Hulu, because I struggled so hard to find it, it's not like its own documentary. It's an episode of this New York Times show. I'm sure if you just search New York Times, it'll come up. What is this called? The New York Times Presents. It's an episode of that, so if you're confused, that would be why. Super Bowl is on in like an hour. I don't know, I think we'll probably work on building furniture next. Connor's just finishing his game, but I think when he's done, that's what we should work on. I'm so excited to see this furniture. It got delivered on Friday. I haven't even looked at it yet. Oh, I can't wait. The pillow.
Don't mind me, just eating goldfish back here.
Connor and I are gonna work on the furniture now, but I wanted to give you a little mini Home Goods haul. Obviously, you already saw my amazing new pillows. They're very comfortable. I'm a big fan. I also got about 5 million candles. Went a little ham on the candles, but they're just so cheap there. Like, this is $10.
Sorry.
Exactly. No, it's so true. You really can never have enough candles. And then there are 2 other ones, but they're over here, so I'll just bring the camera over there when I'm done over here. Also got 2 little plants. First up, this one, pretty little like purpley flowers. And then this guy I actually really like as well. And I feel like both of these are clearly fake plants, but hopefully a little less clear because I am not a plant mom. I don't know how to take care of plants. I like the look of them, so I feel like these are some pretty good compromises if you don't look too closely at them. Also got this big old jug. This was literally only $10 for this massive
Jug.
Glass, that's what I was looking for. Glass.
Big old jug.
And actually I'm going to paint this. I need to have like a little painting day. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow because I have some other little things that I'm gonna paint. I picked up paint the other day from Blick. So I actually don't know if I'll have enough paint to do this whole thing because I wasn't planning on painting something so large. But then I also have these like little twig things that I've had in my Amazon cart for a while that I think will look really cute in here. So excited about that. And then last and most excitingly, we have new bathroom trash bins.
Which we are
got
actually
2 of
very
these.
excited about.
Yes, very excited. It's nice. They have a little lid on it. I just needed something that was really small, and I wasn't even really on the lookout for new trash bins, but I saw these and thought like these are perfect. They're white, they're very clean looking, but they're like pretty narrow, which is important because our bathrooms are obviously really small. So I've got 2 of those, which we should also put in the bathroom today. Let me show you these other candles though. Okay, here are the 2 candles. As you can see, this one got lit yesterday and it had a really, really long wick. So a little bit of it fell off right there. Really liked the jar on this and I loved how big it was. Let's see, how much was this? I think I took the sticker off already, but I think it was like $20 for a candle this big. And then they got this monster of a candle. Look at how many wicks it has. It is so big. But this was $30, you guys. Like this would be $100 candle anywhere else.
Anywhere.
Go Home Goods. Look, the new trash cans fit perfectly. They look so cute. I love it. Check out this one too. Also great. We love. Okay, so this is our furniture delivery. We actually got all of this stuff from Castlery. They were really kind and sent us some new goodies for our home. So I am so excited to see them.
Right.
I can't believe we've even waited this long. It's so unlike me that I would wait like 2 days to look at something like this. That's how sick I was.
That's how hungover, right?
Exactly. Okay, so you think we should put this down? Oh, it looks like this is up. Like these little arrows are showing this is the top. Oh, I am so excited for
Yeah,
this.
me too. 3, 2.
Oh my god, it's so heavy. I don't know if I can do it. Ah. Wow, I am so excited to see this actually like fully put together. Look at how beautiful.
Gorgeous.
I am so pumped.
Woo-hoo!
Yes. All right, we got the leg assembly coming right now. Connor's killing it on the screwdriver.
Making some good progress.
Look at how pretty this is though, you guys. I can't wait to like actually like fully have it up. And look at it, I'm so pumped.
Ta-da!
All right, last one.
You can do the honors if you like.
No, you, I said.
I appreciate it.
Killed it. Guys, look at how beautiful this sideboard looks. It looks amazing. It's so gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with it.
It's beautiful.
It's so pretty. And then I think for at least part of this, I'm gonna use it for like some extra linens and stuff. And then we'll see what else. But it's just this very convenient storage that looks so clean and nice. You can put anything in there, no one would ever know. Do like some sort of big photo or maybe a mirror or something above there.
Yeah. Put some fun stuff on top.
Yeah, for sure. I'm so excited to play with styling this. It's gonna be so fun. So pretty, I love it. so much. It looks so great. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so obsessed with the way that this looks in our bedroom here. Once our couch arrives, I sort of have a new plan for where I want to put this potentially, but for now it's going to live in here and I think it looks amazing. I am so obsessed. It is so perfect. It just fits the vibe exactly how I want it to. I love it. Also, I feel like I just casually dropped that, but I totally forgot to tell you guys, Connor and I ordered a new couch. Woo-hoo! We are so excited. Yeah. We are so excited for this couch though. It's gonna be great. And now I'm going to work on emptying this guy so we can get it out of here.
Show it all set up. Look at it.
Yeah, no, it looks beautiful.
Price tags and all.
Yeah, obviously there's just random stuff up there right now from Home Goods, but I cannot wait to start playing around with the styling of this. It's gonna be really fun. Get like a big piece of art up there maybe, or maybe like a little mini collage wall. Oh, I'm so excited.
Let's get it going.
I hate it. Anyway, this game has been really boring so far, so I'm gonna construct my shoe rack that came like a week ago and I haven't gotten around to constructing it yet. All right, and it is in. As you can see, I have room for some extras too. I like to keep my boots on the floor here in the front because those are what I reach for the most. And then obviously I still have all of these shoes in this organizer, but that works great for me. I might swap some of them out, but for the most part, that is good. More closet coming together, I like it. And Connor is in the process of lighting our giant candle. You want my candle lighter?
Yes.
It's just right here. Yeah.
Aha.
Well, burn yourself.
There we go.
Yes. So exciting.
It smells very good.
I love it. Okay, Connor and I are about to make some dinner right now. We're making our classic Crunch Wrap Supreme, but really quickly, I just wanted to give another shout out to Castlery for sending us this sideboard as well as that bench, and I just wanted to let you know a little bit more about their items. So this is called the Lily sideboard, and then the bench in our bedroom is called the Jackson Dining Bench, and I'm obsessed with both. Castlery is really cool too. Like, they just create really high quality furniture at really good price points for what the quality is. So very excited to be working with them on this. They design everything. It's direct to consumer. It's not like they have different designers designing for their brand, and you can order free fabric swatches from them of anything on their website. That way you can make sure that it matches your vibe. There's 14-day returns and warranty coverage just in case anything happens to it. So also, they said that our delivery would get here at the end of February, which I feel like is pretty typical shipping time as far as furniture goes. And it got here literally so early, weeks and weeks and weeks earlier than it was scheduled to arrive. So that was an amazing surprise as well, and so great that it just got here so quickly. Big fan of them and their brand. Another big thank you to them for sending us these gorgeous pieces. We are obsessed and we feel like we're really starting to see our home come together, which is very exciting. Okay, just opened a couple packages, thought I would show you quickly. I just ordered this little tank from Amazon. I have it in like a tan color. I just want to get it in white, very simple. I'll probably order it in like black and a couple other colors too, because they're just easy, comfortable, quick to throw on. I will of course link down below. Also got some refill of liquid IV, strawberry flavor. I'm very excited because we went through quite a few of them during the hangover yesterday. Not great. Also very exciting, I finally got the sweatshirt copy of my merch and I'm obsessed with it. This is obviously in the golden color. You can also get it in just a white with obviously the same pattern on it, but I thought the gold was really cute and different. I'm a huge fan. Again, I ordered this in medium, right? Oh no, this is actually small. Okay, I guess I figured that it would be oversized, which it definitely is. Perfect for me, but there you go. This is a small FYI. Still available, and thank you so much again to everyone who's ordered so far. I was like so blown away. I thought that maybe I would sell like 5 of them, and I've sold way more, so much appreciation to all of you. And it's still available until like sometime in February. I'm sorry, I don't have these actual dates. I'll put them on the screen. It's available until sometime in February, and then everything ships at the end of February, so get yours while you still can. I am not even sure what we're gonna do with this design, if we're gonna release it again or what exactly, so make sure you get it while you can. I'm so excited about this, I love it. Check these out, you guys. They are looking so good this time, as always, honestly. At this point, we've sort of perfected them where they're just really good every single time, no matter what. Man.
Perfect Super Bowl Sunday food.
Right? I am so glad that we decided to go this route.
Me too.
It'd be so good. Look at this goodness. Oh my gosh. We killed it again.
We did it.
I am so excited to dive into this.
Do you want to talk about it?
All right, Connor and I made the move to bed. Be nice and comfy. And Molly Cat, are you loving the new bench? You love it?
Maybe
Look at her. Oh, yeah. Oh. So cute. Anyway, we are in bed now, watching The Good Place, and I think we're just gonna chill here. I was just working a little bit on my calendar so I could figure out my to-do list for tomorrow and next week, because Monday is here again. Very stressful. I don't want it. I don't want it.
No. But I do love bed.
Me too. So I'm going to enjoy every last moment of this weekend.
Exactly.
Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today. Happy birthday if it is your birthday, and I'll see you in the next vlog.